hopefully I'm going to start posting more. As y'all seen in the title, I'm going to be reviewing these period pads from Hi-O. They reached out to me and wanted me to review them, test them out, and see how I liked them and everything. My period was like maybe like a couple weeks ago, to be honest, and I'm just not getting around to filming this video because of the whole mess that's going on in the world right now. And my man has been off for a couple weeks. I haven't had any privacy to do anything at all, and I don't feel comfortable making videos when he's here because it's just awkward. I made some clips during the time when I was on my period. I made some clips of me using these and testing them out, and I'm going to be, you know, showing them throughout the video and stuff. Now, my period only lasts like 3 or 4 days. It's not like a normal period length, like it's not like a week, like 7 days or whatever. My period's always been like that. Like, even after I had my kid, I thought my periods, you know, will be different, but they ended up going back normal, so I'm kind of happy about that. The last time I've really ever used pads was when I was just starting my period, when I was a kid, you know. My nose got stuffed up from sneezing. But I started my period when I was 11 years old, and I think I used pads up until I was 14 or 15 when I started using tampons. So it's been years since I've actually used pads, and I've never even used pads like this, like reusable pads. So yeah, you can get these on Amazon. So with this period starter kit, you get 6 medium flow pads and a free travel case for when, like, you're out and about, you know, places, and, you know, you're using these and you go to the bathroom and, you know, change it and fold the dirty one back up and put it back in here, all safe to where, you know, it won't get on the others, you know. It is $29.99 for this whole kit, and I tell you, it's worth it. Trust me, it is definitely worth it. The kit itself has, you know, this little strap with a button on it to where you can like loop it on something and then clip it down to where it's, you know, hanging there. And it's like very convenient. If you see this bag, you're not going to instantly know like, hey, that's period pads. No, it's like very discreet, and most people won't know what this is. When you open the bag, they come with these pads. They look like this, very soft. It has, you know, the buttons on the back like this, and you can adjust, you know, to which one you need. And they just, like, you know, clip around your underwear. If you've used pads, you know how pads work. I'll insert some footage here of me using it for the first time. Okay, I forgot to say that I'm only going to be using these at nighttime when I'm asleep, and I'm going to be wearing tampons throughout the day. So every night before I go to bed, I put this on, and I'll wear it until I wake up the next day. Okay, I just put my period pad on. It actually feels like I'm not even wearing anything at all, which normally when I wear a pad, I can feel it, but it's like comfortable. It's weird. And I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna wake up and see how well it actually holds. So yeah, like I said in the video, this was pretty freaking comfortable. I was like so amazed of how comfortable this was, especially since I haven't wore pads since I was a kid. It like became a shock to me because, you know, like normal pads that I would, you know, wear back in the day. I say back in the day, it makes me feel so freaking old. It felt like a diaper on me. Like I felt like I had like a huge like diaper on me, and it was like uncomfortable, and I did not like it whatsoever. But this did not feel like a diaper. Like I hardly even felt this. So I'm going to insert some footage of the next day when I woke up. I say day because I don't wake up in the morning. So like I said in the video, I stay up all night and sleep pretty much all day. But when I woke up, just went to the bathroom, and this period pad held up a lot. Today is pretty much my first day of my period, so it's the heaviest. And it held up a lot overnight, so far it's so good. So yeah, when I went to change it, it was like crazy because it was just like just a couple of dots on there. And this is like my first day on my period, but it was just like a few dots on it. And I was just like, huh, am I sure I'm on my period? Because that's not a lot of blood at all. After you remove this, you're supposed to rinse it off and wring it out. It did not leak at all. Did not leak on my shorts, did not leak on the bed, nothing. It held up. I have a pretty heavy period on my first day. So when I was running it under the sink to rinse it out, it was nothing but blood coming out of this. And I know this is TMI, but I mean, if you're watching this video, you would know that it's going to be like kind of TMI, you know. I'm definitely going to be using these every month when I'm on my period. I highly recommend y'all get these. If y'all don't use tampons or nothing like that, if you just use strictly pads, then this will be great, you know. It's good for on the go. It's good for around the house, lounging around. They're pretty damn comfortable. I'll have all the links in the description on where to get this product at on Amazon. And this will definitely be really good, especially during, you know, this whole crap that's going on right now in the world. It'll be very easy to just use when you're on your period, because it's just a one-time purchase and then you can reuse them. Because, you know, the stores, you know, people's hoarding like crazy and like getting everything out of the stores, and even people are hoarding tampons and pads to where there's like hardly none on the shelf. So this will be a good choice, especially during this time. Yeah, getting tampons and pads every month can end up being super expensive. And even though this is like $30 for this whole kit, it's reusable. You can continually use this every month. You're getting a good deal on this. Just saying. We've used reusable pads before, and if you liked them or not. Yeah. Okay, I'll see y'all next time. Bye. I feel like all these video games